Hello. Hello. Welcome to another bonus upload. And yeah, I'm green screening it again today for the fun of it. I learned something from somebody and it works like a charm. All you need are two things. Well, three things technically. I don't know if you could see it. I have a spray water bottle, okay? And I filled it up with water. Like it's three parts water, one part white vinegar. You know, the least expensive kind, the white vinegar, simple white vinegar. Okay. I'm telling you, grandmas and grandpas, they sure knew a lot about a lot. Okay. But I learned something, a trick. If you put 3/4 water and one part of the vinegar, you have an amazing thing in so many ways. This is an amazing degreaser. Uh huh, uh huh, uh huh. And I could think of a few instances where you don't mind having things degreased. For example, well, what I do is anytime there's anything like a greasy meal, I don't use a lot of oil. I don't use a lot of fats in my stuff because I don't care for it. But it's also beneficial that I don't have a lot of oil to clean up after. However, if I'm preparing recipes for other people that may go somewhere else, it might require me to use a lot more oil, but I still am quite conservative about my oil or grease usage at all. And if you have a stack of dirty dishes, the first thing that I like to do is wipe off the excessive dirt, throw that dirty food, whatever left, in a compost bag. Okay. That's when I start to use paper towels and I get annoyed with that. And I'm working on not doing that because I'm trying to unpaper towel my life as much as possible. That's another show. So I want to use the microfiber cloths. That's, one thing, which is wonderful. So I get rid of all of that, but the dishes still might have and will have, or pots and pans, a little bit residual greasy feel to it. Then what I do, because I am the dishwasher, not a machine, good old Jan, the actual dishwasher person, fill up the sink with hot sudsy water. And I let the stuff sit in there no more than 5-10 minutes max. However, if I'm in a real rush, I take my spray bottle, I'll take my wet dish that still has residual soapy water on it, spray my vinegar water mixture on there. You will not believe how that degreases. It degreases your pots, your pans, your plates, your forks, your knives. I'm talking about like stainless steel stuff comes like right off. OMG. And if you're ever on a picnic and you want to do some quick wipe down, keep a bottle like that even in your car, like for whatever greasy feel comes up. Like, did you ever order food from fast food? And like you might have like greasy hands from from eating greasy French fries or whatever you ordered. And even if you keep wiping and wipe those little tiny wipes, doesn't do the trick as much. Or just a regular napkin doesn't really clean that greasy feel off. And that's very uncomfortable. So again, this bottle of water, 3 parts water, 1 part vinegar, white vinegar on the cheap. You could get some really great prices on that. Keep a few bottles at home at all times. I just use them as I need it. Keep a bottle like that in the car and spray your hands, and you're degreasing your hands quickly. I'm telling you. Now, vinegar is not a disinfectant. Let's get something completely straight. It is not a disinfectant. But what I have found that it does for me and a lot of thousands and millions of other people is that it is a cheap, easy, convenient degreaser. No need to spend a ton of money or a fortune on fancy degreasers that might have a colorful fluid in a bottle or whatever. No, no, no. This is more natural. It's very convenient. And I'm telling you, you will really appreciate it. It doesn't cost much. So keep a bottle of the way I described it. Keep one in your kitchen area, keep one in your perhaps bathroom area after a quick shower. Spray, spray, spray. If you could, check to make sure the surfaces that you work with, that would be okay. Check first. Thank you. I'm just saying. So, but as far as degreasing and in the car, that is so convenient in my honest opinion, and definitely cuts down all that scrub time if you are the main dishwasher at home. I'm telling you, it doesn't cost much. I love things that don't cost that much and do the trick. Why don't you do us all a favor? If you have a tip or a trick that you use all the time that absolutely has been very helpful for you, think about mentioning it in the comment section below. Believe it or not, the folks read each other's comments. It has come to my attention. Apparently, you guys read the comments, which is really, really nice. I like that. I want to continue to build up the great community of folks that I do have that come back almost all the time with wonderful comments. And I thank you for that. And I truly appreciate it. Another thing in my case, I might have mentioned in the past with tea. I like tea. Coffee is usually the one I wake up to in the morning, but the rest of the day I kind of like go with tea, especially in the evening. I like to wind it down with tea. So I may have tea like in the middle afternoon, but it's like an herb type that has no caffeine in it, something gentle, something mild. But sometimes if you can't get to a dollar type store like I can't, I have to spend a little more money and get it elsewhere, okay? Unless a friend of mine maybe does me a favor and picks it up at the dollar store from, where she lives. But I can't burden my friend with that all the time. So what I like to do is I don't make dark tea. So instead, I will steep 2 cups of tea with 1 tea bag. Now, for some people, I don't know, they may consider doing something like that minutia. No, it adds up. It's not just about saving the penny or two. It slows down the rate of usage, okay? And I've done videos in the past about slowing down the rate of usage of things. I may end up doing another one like that in the not so distant future, because in my opinion, that's a very good topic, especially for many of us who are on a tight grocery budget and we find ourselves buying things over and over again way too quickly. So if a person like myself doesn't drink very strong tea and goes literally boop, boop with their tea bag and then just sails through it too quickly, why should I keep spending more and more money? No, rather than that, I figure out clever ways to slow down my usage of the product. I hope you do things like that too. If you do, let us know what you do like that in the comment section below. As always, it's so much fun coming back for a bonus upload. Thank you for your time. And if you have not done so already, just take your finger and click like. Because after all, if you went this far into the video, you probably liked it. So let me know that you liked it. But more importantly, let YouTube algorithm know that you liked it. And that way they could push the video to further grow the channel, to reach other people, and to help people who may really need the messages that I give. Thank you so much. Take good care of yourself, your amazing family. As always, super thanks are forever appreciated. And yes, those $2 ones are totally cute. So are the 5. I'm just saying. I can't help it. I'm just saying. Take good care of yourself and your amazing family. Going once. Let's see if I could cut this off. Going once. Going once. Come on. Come on. Boy, this thing could give me a hassle. Going once. Going twice. Come on. Let's see. Come on. Do the right thing and shut off. It's supposed to shut off. I'm just saying. Wow. This thing is stubborn. Shush off.